Folks, today I'm going to talk about the next generation security, biometric stocks. This is exciting. It's something you should pay attention to. So let's get into the next generation of security, which is a tech that can help you win big. Believe it or not, but the world is going back to normalcy one day. I know it's hard to imagine that type of world, but the markets tend to anticipate things much earlier than most people do. It's called efficient market theory. And while I don't believe the market will truly become efficient, they do tend to assimilate, or the market does tend to assimilate the future much earlier than individuals and companies do. And the best way to profit right now is from a sector that's set to profit regardless if the market comes out of COVID environment sooner or later. And that's why today I want to focus on biometric technology sector, which according to major surveys hit nearly 20 billion before the COVID pandemic hit. According to industry insiders, the market is expected to reach 55 billion with a B by 2027. Folks, that's like 5.5, 6 years away, which provides strong support for the industry over the next several years into the future. What's even more interesting is the fact that COVID pandemic actually increased demand for security and biometric internet stocks as a result of the globe need to work from home, or the global economy needing to work from home, which created a new substantial security vulnerabilities that the world hasn't seen prior to the pandemic taking hold. ID verification and behavior analysis via online protocols is only going to increase as we head into the future. Tech is advancing, and security advancements play a big role in shaping how effective technology is over the next several decades. And that's why right now, and I mean right now, is prime time to look at a few top biometric stocks that are coming up on my radar. First stock, Ambarella, ticker symbol AMBA. The company develops video compression image processing semiconductors. The company's products are used in digital still cameras, digital camcorders, and video-enabled mobile phones. Now, AMBA is also one of the top biometric stocks. Thanks to Ambarella's high-resolution 3D imaging sensor technology, it's now possible for corporations and government institutions to restrict access to authorized personnel and individuals. Naturally, this tech has broad implications, both for commercial endeavors and for infrastructure tied to national security concerns. As well, biometric scanning is a much more hygienic than touching potentially contaminated surfaces. Also, the stock trades on the Russell 2000 index, which right now is my favorite index out of the major indices like the Nasdaq and the S&P and the Dow. The stock has returned over 80% in the past 12 months, and I have a price target of about $160 per share over the next few quarters, which means there's substantial upside left in the stock. The next company on my list for biometric stocks is Aware, ticker symbol AWRE. It's a provider of biometric software products and development services. The company's products include SDK software components, workstation applications, and modular centralized service-oriented platforms. That's a mouthful right there. It serves government departments, system integrations, and solution suppliers. The company offers a comprehensive list of ID verification and management platforms, and that's where the money is. The company is set to contract with the federal government to help run federal tourism infrastructure, which is a big undertaking. The one-year return is over 35%. The price of the stock continues to rally to all-time highs, and I believe we'll see a good, strong run-up out of the stock in the next few months. Expect the price target of roughly $8 per share in the next few months if momentum levels remain inflated in small caps. Next stock on my list is Nuance Communications. Nuance provides voice recognition and natural language understanding solutions. They work with companies around the world, from banks to hospitals to airlines, telecommunication carriers, and automotive manufacturers and suppliers who use their technologies to create better experiences for customers and their users by enhancing their users' interaction and increasing productivity and customer satisfaction. The company is incorporating biometric solutions to automate the authentication process of contact center interactions. And folks, if you haven't figured it out yet, global solutions, processing, interactions, technological, that's the future. The technology should substantially cut down average handling time. thereby saving costs. 1 year return for this stock, 134+%. And I believe the stock will jump to about $60 over the next 12 weeks, if not sooner, if momentum in the overall stock market doesn't give in to a major pullback. And I hope that helps. Folks, America's number one pre-market trader and I are about to expose something earth-shattering about the stock market. It all started with an undercover recording, and now it has turned into something so much larger. Some are starting to say we've hacked the markets, but all the money's made before the markets even opens. And this new pre-market strategy has already handed out us 20 wins out of 22 trades, posting winner after winner after winner since November. Click on the link below to watch the urgent video that I just put together on this new mysterious new market hack. Do it now. And make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube. Stay ahead of the market by being the first to be notified when we post our next video.